I created Olivewood with the intention of holding out an olive branch to those who want to eat from the heart and live a more sustainable life. My absolute passion is creating magic in the kitchen with nothing but plants, namely plants that grow around me in my garden or at least nearby. I find all my inspiration in seasonal produce, letting what is ripe and ready guide what goes on the table that night. I am here to show you that you can make incredible, delicious and unforgettable meals without any animal products at all. These recipes will make you feel satisfied and healthier without feeling like you're missing out on anything. We all have the power to make the single biggest change to the world, simply by going vegan and swapping out animal products with the plant-based alternative. You'll be helping the planet, the animals and yourself, and I promise you it is the most beautiful journey.